Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Cherokee's cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve the air quality inside your vehicle, removing dust and allergens. The good news is, you typically won't need any specialized tools, just your hands and a new filter. This process is designed to be quick and easy, often taking less than 10 minutes to complete from start to finish. To begin, slide the passenger seat all the way back for better access. The cabin air filter is situated behind the passenger side kick panel, which is located near the center console and below the glove box. Gently pull the rear edge of this kick panel towards you to release its friction fasteners. Once unclipped, carefully set the panel aside in a safe place, ensuring not to bend or break any of its plastic components. With the kick panel removed, you will see the rectangular filter access cover on the blower motor housing. This cover is typically held by two clips, a tab at the bottom and a loop at the top. Gently pull down on the bottom tab to release it, then lift the top edge to disengage the loop. Carefully slide the old filter straight out, observing the direction of its airflow arrow. Now, insert your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points towards the rear of the vehicle. Then push it fully into the slot. Once the new filter is seated, reattach the filter cover by first engaging the top loop, then swinging the cover closed and pushing on the bottom edge to secure its clip. Double-check that the cover is firmly in place. Finally, align the kick panel with its original position, ensuring the plastic hook is reinserted, and firmly push along its edges to snap all the retaining clips back into place. You have now successfully replaced your cabin air filter, ready to enjoy improved air quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.